Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to authorize changes. Once in, choose Add a Fingerprint and position your finger on the Touch ID sensor. Don't rush. Make small adjustments between scans so the sensor captures different angles of your fingerprint. This helps increase accuracy later. Keep the finger relaxed, not rigid, and make sure the sensor and finger are clean and dry. So the initial scan. Continue the process by lifting and resting your finger as prompted. Each touch refines the fingerprint map. Make a point to vary tilt and pressure slightly so the sensor records both the center and the edges of the print. If a prompt asks for additional placements, follow it. This fills gaps and improves read success. Once scan's complete, you can assign a short label to that fingerprint in Settings, which makes management easier if you add multiple fingers later. Finish by testing Touch ID on the lock screen and in Purchases. Enable desired uses under Face ID and Passcode once successful. If the sensor fails frequently, delete the problematic fingerprint and re-enroll it. Repeating scans while varying angles fixes many errors. Also, clean the sensor and your finger. Moisture, lotions, or dirt disrupt reads. If issues persist, restart your iPhone and try again. That usually resolves temporary software glitches and restores consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.